So we've got the wall and everything out here, so with a bit of looking around, having a bit of a play, I think I'm going to build a wall back in here, out to here. Don't know how far out yet, but that'll be that 900. Toilet in there, put a bath in there, big counter in here, and a full shower in that whole end. That window will go. This window we're going to move slightly, so there'll be some more restructuring and bits and pieces in there, but we'll get the rest of these sheets down that we need to, so we'll actually end up saving some of this stuff. I won't have to pull everything down, which will work out right. We still have to get all this out up here yet and have a play in there, so we'll clean all this up as we go. But yeah, we'll get these two sheets off because we've got to build in this section wall. So I think the first thing we'll do is build in these, finish all this wall back off in the framing, and yeah, move on from there. So we're just starting to fit out this wall here, and upon doing a few measurements, so this wall here obviously parallel with that wall to make sure this section's straight. So we're actually out that much on this sheet at this distance to being parallel with this and against that other wall. So out to here where they had it maxed out, it's about 15-20 mil, almost right at the end. So for now we're going to chip this out, set this in, get that right. Later on this will all come up anyway, just to double check everything, and so we can also do some work on this floor here in that join. So we'll do that bit, start getting that base down, and start building the wall. So we've knocked this wall up. Now, being that everything obviously is recycled, so we have to clean all this glue and this stuff off later, and it takes a little bit longer to try and dress everything up as we go. And this stuff's hard as, so you drill everything before you go, but that's okay. So the next bit is to make the wall here, the division for the toilet to the bathtub. We're going to go about 850-ish in that region. We can always add more to bring it a bit further out, but about 850 is sort of what they had originally, and we're going to go about 900 out, so it's sort of going to fit pretty much, yeah, in that space there and come out. So we'll clean this up, clean that floor up, put the base plate down, and then we will figure out the spot up here where this has got to go and run that into the correct position, so it'll be nailed in there. And where it's going to probably sit somewhere out here in space, we'll actually put a piece above it and screw into those two rafters there. So it's not going to move the end of that wall. It'll be a lot more secure as well. So we'll frame that out with as much hardwood as we can. I'm trying to reuse all that stuff, especially in the bathroom area. It's going to last a lot longer as opposed to pine. But I mean, even though this wall's pine and that's not getting taken out. These sheets will probably come off as well. I'd say we'll just take all that off because this has all got to come off. So we'll just probably take it all off and just resheet it anyway. Yeah, so we'll do that. Build a wall. Right, yeah, so we've got a framework up in here done, but in hindsight, we are actually going to remove this middle section that we've put in here. We're going to run a bathtub across there, shower here, we'll have the bench and everything in there, we'll move this window. We're going to build a separate toilet area just here. So build a wall in here, put it in there. So we're going to figure that out very soon, but for now, yeah, we are done with that. We'll move that around.